Welcome to the project demonstration of sweat analyzer using pH sensor. So the main application of this project is, so by providing the human body sweat liquid input to this pH sensor, we are going to analyze the sweat, and there will be alert sent to the Blynk application through the ESP32 Wi-Fi module, and also we are going to store that particular pH values continuously for every 15 seconds of duration into Thingspeak cloud platform. So these two applications can be accessed from anywhere in the world, as we need to provide the data at this kit section. So coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced this pH probe directly connected to through the amplifier to the A0 pin of our ESP32, and next it is getting power supply from this adapter, which will take 230 volts AC inputs and provide as a 5 volts output. So if you want to demonstrate with the power bank, it's a portable, directly we can connect this to the power bank as it need only 5 volts power supply. So this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply here to the ESP32 as well as to this pH sensor, and which will provide us the analog data output. So before on the kit, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So change the hotspot name to project 5610. For that, go to hotspot settings of your phone and change the hotspot settings to project PROJECT 5610 without any space, without any capital letter, and next password should be 123456789 and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So these three settings are very important. After that only, so remember, without any space, without any capital letter, and on the hotspots and data, and log into the Thingspeak cloud platform and log into the Blynk application. So now switch on the power supply to that. So once the device is connected online, we can see that the device is connected online and there is a red mark icon will go away. So we have set the limit for the pH sensor of the sweat. So that is, if it is below if it is in between 4.5 to 6.5, then it's going to be the electrolyte, but if it is below 6.5, then it's called acidosis, and if it is above 7.5, then it's electrolyte imbalance and cystotic imbalance, and this will get the alert notification into your mobile phone continuously whenever this abnormal condition executed. So, and also for every 15 seconds of duration, the data will be uploaded to the Thingspeak cloud platform, right? So we got the new feed into that, so we can see at which time the data is erased. And if you want to get the clear data, so we can erase this data. So before erasing that, go to downloads, means channel settings, right? So go to data import and export. In that, download the data. So it will be downloaded in Excel sheet format. Right, so now the data is downloaded. Here we can see the number of samples till now collected and the pH values. That's the field 1. So after you download the data, now you can erase the old data. So for that, go to channel settings, and that only do clear channel, not to touch any other options, only clear channel. Right, once the channel cleared, and now go to private view to access the live graphical presentation, and channel settings to clear the channel, data import export to download the data. So wait for 15 seconds of duration, again it will send the data. So let us provide the input for the liquid. Already we have some liquid in this sample collection box. Right. So I have placed that probe in mineral water. So that's what's showing the around of 6.8 to 7.26 values. So when I dip it back to this basis liquid, you can see that it's increasing the pH value. So right, we got the one more sample data.